He's gonna be firing tomorrow at 5. So we start fixing our boards, roll up a zoot, drink up some beers.
Put yourself in my shoes. It's 5 a.m, your alarm's just gone off. Your girlfriend's now angry with you because you woke her up. It's cold, it's dark, and all you want to do is roll over and go back to sleep. So then, why do we do it? There's something special about going on a dawny. There's a kind of magic in getting up at the arse crack of dawn, getting the boards on the roof, hitting the road before anybody else has even started their day. It does take a certain kind of crazy, though, to drag yourself out of bed and into the freezing cold waters. But luckily for me, I know a few guys.
Hi, I'm Josh Gooding, I'm 21 and I'm a kook for life.
My name's Oscar Miller, I'm 19 and most definitely a kook. I'm Matisse, I'm French, I play guitar.
My name's Pierre Schamberg, I'm 20 and I'm a complete kook.
Look at the same thing, I do really.
My favorite thing about surfing is probably the spliff afterwards. You know, regretting all the waves you didn't take because you're not good enough.
Yeah, fair.
Having Josh drop in on you. Making the wave close out on you. And just doing some turns.
I like turning.
I thought you nearly died that time at fucking Rocky's left.
Oh yeah, worst wipeout, right. I have a lot of stories from So, Josh and I, there's this spot, it's really rocky. You pretty much take off right in front of a rock.
What's
and
it
then
called? Rocky's
Rocky's
left.
And basically, Josh and I used to play this game called fading each other into the rocks. And Josh pretty much like took me right into that rock.
I won every time.
His board, I was on his board flew into the fucking rock. I was following it, I hit it with my feet, and I can just pop up and hear him laughing.
It was funny.
You are smoking illegal substances in a family.
No, bro. This is a cigarette.
Please light that up.
Oh,
ASMR though.
It's CBD.
Just stop with the spray.
doesn't make a crackle sound. Yeah, that's a shit roll. My favourite thing about surfing is, spending time on the water with the boys. Dropping in on Pierre and Matisse, especially Matisse, and yeah, having fun and breaking boards, fixing boards. Cut.
Worst
Was it
wipeout.
day?
Yeah, that was Senon yesterday. No, how many days ago was it?
Saturday, mate.
Still recovering.
Saturday. It was fucking. How big was it?
Okay.
Look,
It was 10 foot. You're surfing the wrong way into the eye of the barrel, and it's not nice. You don't want to do it. Yeah, double hold, not nice.
I'm pretty new to the world of surfing, so I actually don't know what kook stands for. Apparently it stands for something cool, because it must be derived from that. But yeah. Oscar messaged and I'm like, mate, are you down for a quick 20-minute sesh? And we'll be out. I'll take a fucking 8-foot foamy. It'll be chill. Then I can't find the 8-foot foamy, so I get my Morris Cole, which is a fucking babe of a board. Head over to Oscar's, walk over to Giddy Beach, seeing the perfect fucking wave, absolutely firing, beautiful left, and just shredding. I broke my board. It looks like a fucking shark bite, but I still surfed it for another like 3 or 4 waves. Oscar broke his board as well, just for reference. Anyways, we come back here and we're like, it's gonna be firing tomorrow at 5. So we start fixing our boards, roll up a zoot, drink up some beers. It was first time actually using this garage with resin, so we probably got a little bit of resin high. And I did not own a mask at the time. Of course, it's COVID-19, so we do have masks. And my dumbass decided to protect myself from the resin, take a sheet of fiberglass.
You're a fucking
and
idiot.
put it under my face mask to protect my nose to filter it from the resin.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Started shaping boards. Did the first one over lockdown, and then that's the new sled behind.
What a new sled.
My most enjoyable wipeout was at Prasands. I was getting on a lovely left. Was it left?
It was my wave and it was a right. No, it was a right.
Which wave were we talking? Which one?
You were going right. This is when we launched ourselves at each other.
Okay, I was going.
You were going right and I dropped in going left.
Keyword drop in. Josh
No.
dropped in on me at Prasands going left, and he was on a soft top, but being a kook. So I threw myself at him, rugby tackled him off the back of the wave. That was very enjoyable. I had a lot of fun there. Huh?
I was under you guys.
Yeah, we did both drop in on Pierre, that is true. that is a good point. Favourite thing about surfing, I'd say up there would definitely be the views, especially down in Cornwall and at home in Brighton. Stunning. The views, Dornies, sun coming up over the cliff.